Anyways, welcome back to the Thriller canister shells, 7-inch, heavy hitters, overload, maximum workout. Alright guys, number one is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna do 6 and then I'm gonna cut it and I'll do another batch of 6 all the way till I do the full kit and we'll go from there. But this is gonna be number umbro numero uno, I guess. There you go, so y'all know. Alright, 7-inch. Come on. Okay, that's a nice break. All right, let's keep going. I'm gonna keep going. Number 2. What the fuck? That should just crumble over there. Well, I am fucking walking over there. Well, number 2 sucks dick. That's the first. Here's number 3. Make sure y'all keep your distance. Shit. There we go. Fucking beautiful. All right. Let's go with number 4. These are some nice bricks. I have done some masters in the vibraniums, but these are kind of up there. These are actually going up higher in my opinion. Alrighty. This should be number 5. Okay, I like that one. Nice little cloud too. Last but not least, number 6. Video will cut and then I'll post another one later. And this is all off War Eagle's rack. Alright. There you go. Fuck. 5 and 6, bro. Hell yeah. Let's load it up with the other.